welcome back. So today, y'all, we're going to keep it super simple with the American classic, the grilled cheese. So we're going to take a little piece of butter and we're going to butter up that bread on both sides. You can use more or less depending on how you like your butter on your bread. And then we're going to take another slice and we're going to take the other slice of bread. Get a little bit of that butter juice. And let's place our cheese slices. I am using Kraft. That's my favorite. Gives you that little cheesiness. I'm going to use 2 slices so you can get more cheese action. Go ahead and place that other slice of bread on top. Pat it down. And we're going to give this about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Flip that on over to the other side. And depending on your heat level of your skillet, mine gets hot really quickly, so it doesn't take long for me to make my grilled cheeses. So y'all, it's been about 2 minutes on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and slice that in half. Now flip that over so y'all can see it's brown on the other side as well. Got little cut marks to that too. And you can see that cheesy goodness. That cheese is melted a little bit. That's pretty much it, y'all. We're going to put this on our plates with our fruit. And if you haven't tried this, y'all, try agave syrup on your grilled cheese. It's so good. It's like a little sweet and savory bite. But let's get a little up close of our beautiful grilled cheese. It looks so good. So simple, y'all. Less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna give y'all up close and cut it in half so y'all can see. Had to take a little bite right quick, y'all, because I'm hungry. But you see that cheese is nice and melted. Let me go ahead and take a few more bites. But that's pretty much it today, y'all. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye.